Say hello.
That's my dad.
It is Dad. Well, what now until it starts?
Oh.
Entertain me, peasant. Here we go. It can't be that bad, can it?
Chewy world today.
You must keep your hands. Oh, that's spooky. It's lighting up.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that guy is me.
You cool.
Spiky balls. Don't scream. Okay, they have actually upgraded it, I think.
Eat me.
Oh, look at that head! Same.
Dude, that was at the start when you came in, remember? Wanted.
Okay, that's quite creepy. Yeah, they've definitely upgraded it. That thing's gonna spook out. Called it! Can't get me, my dude. Okay, where are we going? This is going quite slow. How do you feel about it?
It smells scary.
There's that thing. Oh my god.
Oh, look, don't touch.
It's... Wait, no, you know who that is?
That's my dog.
It's Monstrux Exposed! Monstrux, where'd you go? Where's my friend? Say yes, this is going to fall. You can tell that one's gonna like do something, or one of them's gonna do something.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh my god, I didn't even know. Don't scream, it's not funny. It's stupid. Where are we going now?
Bye, everyone.
A whole new world is new.
Remember that scared us the first time we went on it?
Oh, here's a spooky bit.
Oh, that's my favorite bit.
To the memes, away! This place is going to the memes, away, it's a mirror. What up, dude? What's that? Okay, that's not gonna pop out. Where are we going now? Hi, Mom, hi, Dad! What is that thing?
Scared me.
What did it scare you?
Sue this place.
Did it actually hit you?
Yeah. Hi, devil.
Dude, watch your wings, you're gonna make something hurt.
That hurt me.
Someone call Monstrux, I've had a new addition to his army. I hate snakes, get out. Where are we now? Where are we at? Okay, we're going. Okay, apparently we're not dying. Okay. Alright. This is taking a while. How do you feel? Goodbye, sunlight. Hello, darkness.
Dude, that's me.
Let us adventure on into the memes.
Guys, look, it's me.
Oh, this is the bit with the creepy baby. What up, my dude? How's life? Oh god, that actually scared me.
Dude, it's Lance.
Lance, what are you
Lance, don't leave us.
doing? Lance, what are you doing?
Lance.
I know only a rich man could make something as evil as this. Confirmed.